Okay, first let me apologise for the quality of the sound here. I'm using the microphone that is in the computer. Attached are a number of pictures for me picking up my Mark II Jaguar from the body shop. Unfortunately, my body man has been extremely ill and is not able to finish this, and I need to progress things. I gave this to him probably 18 months ago, and I was hoping it was going to be finished. Unfortunately, that was not the case, as I said, due to illness and, well, sometimes, you know, life gets in the way. I have found another body shop, and I'm unfortunately, or fortunately, depending on when you look at it, waiting for them to give me a number to finish the body on my Mark II. Now, whilst the previous person did a lot of work, there appears still to be a long way to go before I can get this looking as I want it to look. I will hopefully, depending on the number they throw at me, be recording various stages, and depending on how good or bad I think they are, I will put that out on the channel. I'm not expecting that to be within the next week or so. It will probably, I guess it's going to take quite a few months before this baby will be in Carmen red. I have spoken to them today. They came over and visited me, which I appreciated. I thought it was decent. It shows keenness, and he brought one of his body men with him, which again I really did appreciate, because it seems they're taking an interest. And in fact, the young body guy said, "Wow, can't wait to get working on this," which is encouraging. Young guy, and appreciates a classic. So we will have to see how it goes. I do not know when the next update will be coming out for my baby. I sincerely hope it's not going to be too long, so that I can go there and look at it and see what they've done and the quality of their work. Fortunately, they're only about 4 or 5 miles from me, which means I can go and visit them on a reasonably regular basis, as long as I pre-warn them, because you can't just turn up at this shop. And that's fine. I have no problem with that, which means nobody can just walk in and walk out with my car, although they'd have to be pretty darn strong. What have I requested them to do? I have requested that they do things as I want. In other words, if I tell them this gap here shouldn't be here, or this here should be solid, they do as I ask, not as they feel like it. I know the Mark II body. I don't know it perfectly, but I know it a darn sight better than they do, because it's an English car, I'm an English person, and I've had this car for many years. You know, they've got to make sure the gaps are right. What else do they have to do? I want them to spray under the bonnet. I want them to spray in the boot. They don't have to do the interior of the car, that's down to me. They don't have to do the underneath of the car. One thing I will be telling them is, because I have had to restore my front subframe twice because of spraying issues, shall we say, I'm going to make sure they take it out, put it in a corner and cover it up. It's cost me a lot of money to do this for a second time, and I really don't want to have to do it for a third time. Once they've done that, then I can get on and do the shit I need to do with the body. And I, as a lot of you are aware, work on cars to make a few extra bucks. I'll tell you now, once this baby comes back from the body shop, I'm going to take a 6-month sabbatical. So if any of you out there are my customers that I do work for, be prepared. If you come to me, I'm going to say no, because I want to concentrate and get my car done. I'm retired. I want to do my shit. Terrible, isn't it, huh? Wanting to do my own shit. All right, I'll end the verbal here. I do thank you all always for watching. I do thank all my subscribers. I won't do the PayPal me link and all that shit, but I will say, now get out in that garage and do some shit. Bye.